Alright guys, so welcome to this space. Okay, if this is your first time you are watching this video, so this is an opportunity for you to start making money online. As you can see, this platform pay you fixed percentage amount of the money that you stake with them, and you can see how to start earning with this platform. Just choose a plan that suits you and make a deposit of $10 and you start making money per day. Okay, so I'm into my login page and I'm showing you the registration page. So all this is all what you need to do on to fill on your registration page. Okay, so I'll be able to log in right now because I already have an account with them, so I will just log in now. All right, so what I want you guys to understand in this platform is that they will pay you every day. Okay, once you stake with them, the minimum you can stake is 10 USDT. Okay, once you stake with them, then you make your money. All right, so I will show you my dashboard right now, and you see that I have $22 on my dashboard right now. So you see my screen, I have 22 USD which I deposit into this wallet account. So all what I need to do is to stake with them. So I want to stake this 22 USDT, which is $22 right now. I will stake it with them, all right, for 28 days, and you will see the amount that I will get for this $22. Okay, I know the amount may be small for your face, okay, but it's worth it for a beginner to start with. And if you have a lot of money that you can start with, you can just start it. So now I will trade for 28 days now, and you see that I have 73 USDT here, which I will get back after 28 days. And I have staked this money, and you see that it have been in a total stake right now. So what I want to show you guys with this platform is that you can make money daily. Okay, and I'll be getting $2.64 every day with this total amount that I stake for 28 days. So if you come down, you see that I have active contract, which the contract will end on 4th of 25, which is April of 25. Okay, that's when the plan will end and I will get my money back. And so if you have any other amount that I wanted to start with, and if you come here and I put $100 for 28 days, and you see that this is the amount that I'll be getting, which is $336 I'll be getting after 28 days. Just imagine you leave it for maybe like 30 days, it will be like 360, right? So if you can see my screen right now, so let me show you how to recharge on this platform. What you need to do is to click on the recharge. I've clicked on the recharge. You have to get a Binance account or Bybit account or any other crypto wallet account. Okay, so for you to make deposit with this platform, and if you don't know how to create a wallet account, all what you need to do is to come to the comment sections and type it there. I made a video on how to create a wallet and verify it so that you can be able to deposit on all this platform. What you need to do is that I like deposit with BEP-20, which is USDT, and TRC-20. Each of the one, just click on it. Let me use BEP-20. Once I click on this, all what you need to do is to copy the address, and then you go to your wallet your crypto wallet. Right, so once you reach your crypto wallet, all what you need to do there is to go to where you have coin of BEP-20 USDT, right, and you make the deposit of minimum of $10, and you start. Once you have deposited the money, all what you need to do is to come back here and click on recharge complete, and the money will be in your account. So right now, this is how to start with this platform and make money. And let's go to the withdrawal to show you how to withdraw on this platform right now. I will click on the withdrawal right now. Once I click on the withdrawal, it will take me to the page of where I will withdraw right now. So all what I need to do is to go and copy my wallet address and paste it here, which I want to withdraw BEP-20, okay, USDT. So I'll paste my address right here. All right, so what I need to do now is to input the amount I wanted to withdraw. So I have $2 on my account right now. So I input the $2 and I input my password right now to receive the money. This is my password. Let me put it. So I click on confirm, and the withdrawal is successful right now. And if you come down and check, you see that the amount is 0 now. Okay, so here's the page of my own page right now, and you see that in the balance, so you can see the money have entered my wallet within 5 minutes of withdrawing this money. Okay, so if you are interested in starting and making money with this platform, just go to the description of this video and click on the link in the description so that you can get yourself registered and start making money immediately.